Any other doubts? Good morning, everyone. That's we'll see later which school I'm going to be teach. Huh? Mostly KNMS only. S3PO to N factor is 1. That will decide by Murli sir. Huh? Mostly he will decide that is. But still now I was in KNMS. We'll see that is. Sir will decide that is. Okay, Harish PSP. Will try it. If you memorize, fine. Otherwise, anyway, you have to remember the 10 factors. Memorize better. You are NEET student only, no? That's better. Arey Rahul, we can chat personally. That is better. Huh? Any other doubts, please? N factor for redox reactions already given. Change in oxidation number. Change in oxidation number. Any other, please? We'll discuss redox reactions, N factor, and everything again one more time. Today we'll discuss few concepts, problems. I think so. For you people, we completed normality molarity relations and molarity relation also completed. Molality and molarity, capital and small m. Capital M, small m relation we given or not? Please check it. Okay, molality and mole fraction are given. Huh? Okay, fine. Normality, molarity also given. Capital N. Capital N and capital M. Identity given. Capital N and capital M. Given. Fine. Only small m, capital M identity given. Is it correct? Okay, fine. We'll discuss that is. Then we may can see some problems also. Next heading, right? Capital M and small m. Relationship between capital M and small m. Next, relationship between capital M and small m. Is screen visible or not? My screen. Please check it. My screen is visible or not? Okay, okay, fine. Are no someone you are getting no? Please check it. Most of the people they are giving. I didn't write anything. That's correct. But you are able to see my screen, huh? I didn't write anything. Right, sir. Relation between capital M and small m. When we are taking relations, first write both formulas, then we can take from that you can derive, sir. Okay, write capital M molarity equal to weight by gram molecular mass into okay 1000 by, otherwise you can take okay fine, W grams of, sorry this is not VML na? VML of solution. This is solution, sir. Now what is a small m equal to W by gram molecular mass into 1000 by W grams of, this is solvent. So take ratio here capital M by small m, sir. Capital M by small m. What you will get here? Substitute molarity formula. Small m formula. So which is cancelled, you can write. This term will be cancelled. 1000 also will be cancelled. What will get, sir, finally? Can you write W grams of solvent by V ml of solution. Is it correct? Up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? I'm doing everything step by step. What you are getting doubt? I don't know, sir. Still, I done only 2 steps. Write on paper, then calculate yourself. Cancel, which is cancelling each other. Calculate like that. I done only 2 steps. That is also everything in front of you. These are not difficult questions also. We are deriving everything. Now write capital M equal to small m W grams of solvent by V ml of solution. Now we can write here weight of solution equal to weight of solvent plus weight of solute. Can I write? Is anything wrong? Please check it. When I am writing and discussing, write that term only. Think about that one. When I am writing here, starting ending, but you are writing starting one, you can't understand. Getting my point? Try to understand first. Later you can note down, otherwise you can take screenshot also, no issue. When I am explaining, don't copy. Can't understand later. When I am explaining, you should not copy. Then you can't understand, sir. Step by step, I am going very simple. Weight of solution equal to weight of solvent plus weight of solute. Anything doubt here? From here, can I write weight of solvent equal to what can I write, sir? Weight of solution minus weight of solute. Anything doubt here? Anything? So weight of solution equal to weight of solvent plus weight of solute. Weight of solvent equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute. In place of solvent, can I substitute this is? Right. Capital M by small m equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute by V ml of solution. Any doubt? Now we know that one, sir. Density of solution equal to weight of solution by volume of solution. Is it correct? So weight of solution, what you can write? Weight of solution equal to, array n I am writing, sir, solution this is. Density of solution into volume of solution. Next, weight of solute. N equal to given mass of solute by gram molecular mass. This is for solute. So weight equal to N into gram molecular mass. This is for solute. So can I substitute above formula? M by M equal to D into V minus N into gram molecular mass by V ml of solution. This is solution, sir. So this also solution. This is solute. So I can write here you make an reverse also if you want. Make and reverse this is. Check it still now, any doubt? Array still now, any doubt? Please check it, everything on screen. Can I write small m equal to formula? Small m equal to, I'm taking sir here, m into V ml of solution by d into vml. This is for solution, sir. Now what you can take minus n into gram molecular mass. This is solute. Any doubt? Now we can see m equal to, this is v up, sir. I can write down also. A little bit mathematics, you should be know that one, sir. You can write here m by density into volume of solution by v solution. Minus n by v solution into gram molecular mass. Alright, this v we can bring down, sir. I'm writing by v. Suppose anything 1 by x by v means v will go up. Okay. Same thing, that p I can bring down here. In place of x, this all the line is there. Then solution will be cancelled. N by v equal to molarity, moles per volume of solution equal to capital M. Now small m equal to capital M what is the formula, sir? Can you rearrange? Just rearrangement only. Molarity by density minus molarity into gram molecular mass of solute. This is the relation between capital M and small m. Okay. Capital M and small m relation. Suppose here density equal to 1, sir, then which is more? If density equal to 1 gram per ml, then molality equal to greater than capital M, sir. If you want, you can try this is derivations, you won't get any exam. If you remember this is the final formula, that's more than enough. I'm expecting only this formula. Only this is. If you are not understanding derivation, doesn't matter. Maybe some people they can ask how we are getting, sir. For them, I derive this one. Mostly I'm giving for JE students. Needs for we won't give anyone. But maybe someone they are interested. That is the purpose I given. If you remember this formula, small m equal to capital M by d minus, okay, m into gram molecular weight of solute. If you remember this much, no need to derive anything. Direct you can write answer. Directly you can get, sir. So check again. I'm giving starting to showing. If you are not noted down, please note down step by step. Once you note it down, let me know. At least remember final formula. Actually, you don't want to use formula, sir. Already we done already on some problems. Molarity and molality, both we done without using this relation also. Again, you can do one more question also without using this relation. Without using. You don't want to use this relation also. Even by using this relation, you need to do more calculations. Within 1 minute, you can't do that. It's very difficult. So try to avoid use this formula. You don't want to use formula actually this is. Let me know if completed. Please note down. You can go step by step. Yes, fine, sir. These three relations also more than enough. Actually, without using relations, we can do that is better. Try to avoid relations. Use our definition, then we can apply. You can try one problem without using the formula also. I'm giving that is a question only. I'm going to give that is. Yes, I'm going to give sir that is. Are Vignesh, what that number meaning? If you remember final formula, you can use. Otherwise, without deriving also we can try. I'm going to give one more problem without using formula and without how to do that is also. Array mole fraction last class also I thought every class I can't teach mole fraction. Okay, Dinesh. Even I sent one video link also already is there. Then you have to teach only mole fraction for you all 1 year, sir. Already I thought previous class so. Okay, maybe then check that this video also is there. If you're not understanding, you can see that is. If you are able to understand these derivations, mole fraction is very easy, sir. That is. See one question you can do. Can I give one question? Is it completed? Thank you. Right. Calculate molality and capital M. Molarity of 0.98 grams of S3PO4 dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Density of the solution equal to 1.4 gram per ml. Calculate, sir. This is the question. I think so everyone are able to see screen. Then try it. I'm asking capital M as well as small m both. So up to you, which is first you are going to be calculate. Then up to you that is we can try it and solve. So time start. Alright, Dinesh, now you request. Mostly I send everyone. Sorry for that inconvenience. Mostly I send everyone books, sir, who contact me. I can send right now. I will send you back. After class, you can request that one. I will send that book which is you need. Okay, capital M you got the people 0.02. Fine. Then molality small m. Already formula given. You make and substitute formula. Otherwise, without formula also we can try. Both you can try, sir. Both. Now we are learning concepts, huh? Array minus value you won't get, I think so. Minus you should not get. How minus value? సాయంత్రం ఉబ్బుతాయిరా ఇప్పుడు కాదు నేను నిద్ర లేయాలి మళ్ళీ అప్పుడే ఉబ్బుతాయి అంటారు అప్పుడు దాకా పోయి నీళ్ళు కొనుక్కొని మళ్ళీ నీళ్ళు వస్తే ఆడుకోపో నాన్న దగ్గరికి ఇచ్చాను ఇంకా డబ్బులు అయిపోయినాయి అవి అడుకో మళ్ళీ తీసుకో తప్పదు నువ్వు తీసుకోకూడదు నువ్వు డబ్బులే తీసుకోకూడదు నాన్నమ్మ కానీ అమ్మని కానీ అడిగి తీసుకోవాలి నువ్వు డబ్బులు తీసుకోవాలి సరేనా తప్పనా 0.03, 0.142. Okay. 0.035. Okay, formula you can use. I'm trying to use without formula. Small capital M equal to weight by given molecular mass by 1000 by VML. So 0.98 by 98 into 1000 by 500. 2 times. This I think so much, sir. 1 by 100. Is it clear? So I think so 0.02 capital M. Weight of solution for small m, sir. We are going to discuss small m. So weight of solution equal to density of solution into volume of solution. Density is 1.4, volume is 500. Can you tell me how much you are getting, sir? Anyone, please? $700 is the weight of solution. Is correct? Then weight of solvent we need, sir. Weight of solvent. Solvent equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute. How much here? Solution 700 minus. What is the weight of solute, sir? 0.98 grams. 0.98 grams. Now, how much you are getting? Six nine 9.02. Clear. Now substitute here molality equal to weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by weight of solvent. Weight is 0.98, 98 into 1000 by 699.02. Solve this value, how much will get? I think so 10 by 699.02. Is it correct? Zero 0.0143. What's your doubt, sir? Now here, check it. Any difficult? Ray, you can use your formula, or this is also. If you are using formula, also you can use small m equal to capital M by density minus capital M into molecular weight of you can write capital M equal to 0.02 by density is 1.4 minus 0.02 into 98. Solve this one. Where we are getting negative value, I don't know that one. Check it. By solving that formula, you can get your answer. Array, who done answer? Please try this formula also. You are getting same answer, approximately same answer. Now check it. Please do that one right now. Remaining people by using formula also. So we are getting negative or positive finally. Okay. If density by increasing density, shall we get positive value? Suppose by increasing density approximately 1.8 something like that, then we can get positive. Okay, by increasing density we can get positive. Is it possible, na? Otherwise you can take by taking 2 gram per ml something. Yes. I think so. By increasing density you can get. Okay, density should be 2. Then you can get positive value. Okay, fine. So roughly I given this question. This is not measurable density. I think you understood by giving density we can get answer. Is it correct? By giving density, suppose approximately this is 2 I given means you'll get answer. Okay, I think you understood process. Thought this is okay. You got process how to solve this type of questions. So density of the solution we didn't measure properly. That is the reason we are getting. Okay. If you are giving density of the, suppose you can take density 2, then you can try it. We are getting both by using formula as well as direct derivation. You can try it now. You can check that is later. Clear? Which is I sent some books. In that books you can find out any question is there like this. Then you can try it, sir. Check which is sent those books. Otherwise, even our sequence material, you can find out some questions based on molarity and molarity relation. You can try it. Okay, fine. If I find that questions, I will send you. Also, you can check it from the books. You can get questions. These are the concentration methods. For here, first chapter 100% you completed. Chapter of redox reactions also. I mention for you anything. These things are given or not? Please find, which I'm going to be ask you. Decimal, decinormal are given. Decinormal or semimolar, semimolar. Like these terms are given. No. Okay. Please note down. I'm giving here normality. I'm giving molarity. You can write normality also. You can write here normality also. Same thing, sir. Right here, semi-molar. One word this is, that value is 0.5 m or m/2. m/2. Both are same. Here, semi-normal. Right, similarly, decimolar. Decimolar. Please note down all these things. Please note down everything. These are fixed values. In the question they will mention, these are the terms. Centimolar, centinormal solution. So you have to remember these things. You're getting my point. All these are fixed value. They can use time. Suppose one molar, just molar solution they can use. What is a molar solution means? That molarity equal to 1. Santosh Kumar, I mentioned that everything here very clearly. Then again we are asking what the centi, what is the milli means, what I can give for you. Huh? Centimolar means I mentioned that is 1 by 100, that is we call centi. Then again we are asking what the centimolar means. I don't know how to explain that is. Milli means 1 by 1000. Centi means 1 by 100. Okay. What is the milli means we are going to give? Milliliter. Milli means what is the value? 1 by 1000. Like that, these are the things. Clear? You can write next temperature. Under note you can write, sir, this, sir. Under note. Temperature dependent concentration terms. Temperature. Right? Temperature. Okay, first we'll discuss independent, then dependent also we can discuss. Temperature independent. Concentration terms. I'm giving here W by W percent, small m, and X. These three are temperature independent concentration terms. Reason also I'm giving, sir. If you noted down that sentence, I will give reason also. X means yes, X only. X means mole fraction. I given three terms. If you are not understanding, please let me know that one. Three I given. Significant figures, all these things in physics they will explain. If they are not explaining, then only we'll discuss. Please note down why these are temperature independent means. Actually, if you observe these formulas, there is no volume term. Volume is there, volume temperature dependent. Okay. If there is no volume term in the concentration expression, that is temperature independent. Clear? You can see W by W percent equal to weight of solute, only weight, there is no volume term. The concentration method which is they contain volume term, that is temperature dependent. Solution is 200. So there is no volume, that's why temperature independent. In right, what is the reason, sir? When we are expressing in terms of formula, there is no volume term, that's why temperature independent. Array is directly we are expressing weight or volume. That's only how to see. Clear? Then you are going everything like that indirectly, then you can do everything is dependent on it. Experimentally prove that one, not like which is word. If I am taking this temperature changing, molality doesn't change and mole fraction also doesn't change. So that's why we are finding. Can you find out which is temperature dependent? I am giving here W by V percent, temperature dependent or not, you can find out, sir. V by V percent, molarity, normality, strength of solution. Is the temperature dependent? All these are, please check it. Right. Next point, which is temperature dependent, you can write, sir. If you write all these formulas, you can check is it contain volume or not. If they have volume term, that is temperature dependent. Just check and write all the formulas, they contain volume or not. Yes, weight is independent of temperature, that's why temperature independent. But volume is there, volume is temperature dependent, that's why we are taking all these are temperature dependent. Under note you can write. Dilution also temperature dependent because that volume only we are taking molarity volume. Any other, please? In the formula which is doesn't contain volume term, those are temperature independent. If they have formula in the formula volume term, that is temperature dependent. Very simple statement I given. Kavipriya, you can't apply that statement here. These are liquids. So by temperature increasing, volume increase, that is wrong. Here volume decreases by increasing temperature. Correct. Harish PSP, corrective statement. Any other, please? Shall we move next? Just I'm giving one more term. That's why we're going to discuss later. If possible, we will discuss soon. And I think so. Still now very clear. All concentration methods is very clear. I think so. Then do more problems. We have seekers material with you, and mostly I sent some book also, one or two books. We may can follow and solve that one. Right. ppm, sir. Parts per million. Right. Parts per million. M means million, sir. Right. This method is used for expressing the concentration of very dilute solutions. Very dilute solutions such as hardness of water, air pollution, etc. Write it. So I'm writing formula ppm equal to mass of solute in grams mass of solution into 10 power 6. Volume of solute volume of solution into 10 power 6. Right first. Yeah, this is new concentration method. This is new concentration method like molarity, molality. This is also one of the concentration method. Okay. So this concentration method is special. We are using generally. Whatever you are taking volume, that should be cancel each other. Okay, 4 should be volume. Either ml or liters you can take, that will be cancelled. We are taking here 10 power 6, sir. Previously, we are solving per liter. Understood? Previously, when we are solving molarity, normality, strength of solution, we are calculating per liter. Why we are taking these are 10 power 6 means, suppose degree of hardness what is there, these are very small amount present sir here. If I am taking only 1 liter of water, in 1 liter the amount of this particle concentration is very less, so I am not able to finding, then I am able to neglect that one. I am neglecting very less present, so that's why we are neglecting that is. Understood? If I am taking 10 power 6, this you can take sir mega, this is at 10 power 6. If you are million, 1 million you are taking means 1000 liters we are taking sir, that should be considerable. If suppose 1 liter they have only 2 parts, so compared to 1 liter, that's I am neglecting. But I am taking here 1000 liters of water. How much will get sir this part? For 1 liter 2 parts means 1000 means how much? 1000 liters. So that is huge amount. That time we can't neglect that is. Is it clear? So that's why whenever very dilute solutions is there, by taking 1 liter, I am not able to find out sufficient amount of solute present in the solution. In that case, I am taking huge number of water, then I am finding concentration of the solute. You may can see pollution also they are expressing in terms of ppm only sir. CO2 they contain 200 ppm or 106 ppm, like that they will give values. Degree of hardness means, what is the degree of hardness sir? We have types of water, soft water, hard water. Two types of water is there. Hard water means Again, this is two types: permanent hard water, temporary hard water. Again, sir, one is permanent and temporary. Two cases. Permanent hard water means which is they contain calcium chlorides, sulfates. Same magnesium chlorides, sulfates. If they contain in that water magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, or calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, that causes permanent hardness. Permanent means by simply we are treating with which is caustic soda or some small chemicals or heating. Okay, by heating I can't remove these salts. That is permanent hardness. Temporary water, temporary hardness, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. I think so you know magnesium bicarbonate formula. Can you write? What is the calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate formula, sir? CaHCO3. How much, sir? Twice. MgHCO3 twice. If these chemicals is present in the water, those we call type of hot water. And when these are present in the chemical, our soap won't give easily foam. The water which can form easily foam with soap, that's we called soft water, which is not giving foam with soap, those are hard water. Okay. I think so already some people are telling already we studied, sir. Very good, sir. Just idea purpose I'm giving them. Then in water, how much calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate present in the water. We are calculating in terms of ppm. In terms of ppm, because by taking small amount of water, we can't calculate the solute how much is present. That is negligible. That's why taking full amount of water, we can calculate. Is it clear? I think so already know degree of hardness of water means soft water, hard water meaning. So now here our target is okay. Already time is over. And we can see next class. We can discuss about some problems based on this. Check it, sir, which is we given today. If any doubts, we can discuss. Or if you are taking instead of density is one, you can try. You may can get answer. I given roughly these questions. I didn't measure, na. That's why we didn't get exact answer. That is just we given this question randomly. You can search which is a given textbook or material. You can get some questions. Still you didn't get. You can search internet. You can get too many questions, sir. You'll get too many questions. You may can try it. I can provide information. Remaining, you have to gather that together. You have to make that one together. Given formulas, we done too many formulas till now. How to use? You should be know that one. Then go and search. Get. Take break. If you don't have anything, take break, sir. Because you have next class now. Take break. Soft water means when you are taking bath, you can find out, sir. When you are taking bath, if you are not getting proper foam, okay, or cloth or something they call word, English word you can find out. If you are getting easily foamy, that is soft water. If you are not getting easily foamy, that is hard water. Which you are drinking water, you can get foam very fast. But which is you are using for bath purpose, those water, they won't form foam easily. That is the soft water and hard water difference. Our drinking water is soft water. By increasing temperature, some water will be evaporate, then volume will be decreases or increases. Suppose you are taking any water solution, Kavipriya, for you madam. By increasing temperature, some water will be evaporate, but solute never evaporate. Then water is evaporating means concentration increases, that won't be decreases. Take on a salt solution, then evaporate water, then you'll get salt more amount or not, like that. Take break. We'll see next class. Try to solve some problems based on this. Search your textbooks. Then be perfect concentration methods. Next onwards, we'll start new concepts, sir. Okay. So next concentration methods we'll discuss end of the chapter. Parts per million. ppm full form is parts per million. Million parts per. Take break. I have one more class. Huh? Thank you everyone. I have one more class. I have to leave from this meeting.